Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about muscular or nervous tissue, which is a type of animal tissue. So let's start. As you see, uh, most animals move, right? They can move from one place to other place easily. But have you seen plants also move? No, right? So animals can move from one place to another place easily, but plants cannot move. Animals can move easily. Why they can move easily? Because they having elasticity or flexibility in their tissues. So that's the reason animals can move easily. So the tissues which are responsible for the walking of animals or the movement of animals are called muscular tissue, right? Muscular tissue help us to walk, to move from one place to another place, to running. So because these are very flexible tissues which helps animals. So this is a structure of muscular tissue which have elongated cells. See, these are elongated cells and these are called muscle fiber. These are the nucleus which is present in between the muscular tissue. Okay. If we describe about the types of muscular tissue, so it will be of three types, right? So let us discuss. The first muscular tissue is striated muscles. The next is unstriated muscle, and the third one is cardiac muscles. So what are the three types of muscular tissues? Striated muscles, unstriated muscles, or cardiac muscles. So these are three type of muscular tissues. Okay, let us discuss one by one about these tissues. So this is the this is striated tissue, right? This is generally unbranched tissue and multinucleated, means there are more than one nucleus is found in this type of tissue. And as you see here, so these are dark bands which are present alternatively with light band. So this is dark band and this is light band. So this is dark or light band which is present alternatively on striated tissue. So that's why this is called striations. So this is called striations. The alternatively found dark or light band. So it is called striation. As you see how muscles help us, they help us to move, right? We can easily move our hands or legs by the help of muscles. See what are the places of striated tissues? They can found in face, neck, limb, or skin. So these are the areas of the locations where the striated tissues are found. So as you saw in the in this alimentary canal, from where the food is just moved from or ingested from the mouth, and it is moved from here, esophagus. After that the food will go through stomach, right? And some juices from liver or pancreas will secrete to help the digestion of food. After that food will go into the small intestine, and after that it will go into the large intestine, right? It will move to the large intestine, and after the digestion of food it will remove out from the anus. So how in the digestion of food there is a contraction or relaxation of muscle also takes place, and when our heart beat, contraction or relaxation is also takes place there. So that is due to unstriated muscles. See these the shape of these is spindle shape, and there is only one type of nucleus is present in it. They are called smooth muscles. Why? Because there is no striation present in these muscles, right? There is only one nucleus present, or these are called involuntary muscles. And what are the location? They are found in the iris of the eye or urinary bladder. So this is ureters and this is urinary bladder, right? These are ureters. There are two ureters, and this is urinary bladder. So here also this tissue is found, and the bronchi it is found. So let's talk about the next type which is left, that is cardiac muscle. So let us discuss what is cardiac muscle. So it is branched and having cylindrical in shape, and it has only one nucleus. So in the contraction of and relaxation of heart, the cardiac muscle basically help. The cardiac tissue will help us, right? As see what these two boys are doing, they are just conversing by a telephone which is made by these, right? So what is the role of this string? String is helping us or act like a medium, or it is transferring information from one place to another place, right? So the wire is transmitting functions. Similarly, our body have also some functions which has to transmit information from one place to another. So this is about nervous tissue, right? So nervous tissues transmit information from one part of body to another part of body. Let us discuss about. So these are nervous tissues. We have also studied. So these are nervous tissues, and these are called neurons. Like these produce electrical signals and give it to brain, and after that we will respond, right? So these are called neurons. There are lots of neurons in the body of the human. see there is a nucleus. If we talk about the neuron cell, this is a type of cell, right? So there is a nucleus present in between the cell, and there is a cytoplasm. So this is called these structures are called axons, and as you see, these structures like the branches, these are called dendrites. So they perform different. So this structure is called axon. What they do, they just take information from outside with the help of dendrites, and after that with the help of axon they will deliver the signal or the chemical reaction which is taking place here from from this end, right? That is nerve fiber. So mainly nervous tissue is found in brain, spinal cord और nerves. As you see, जैसे ही आपने एकदम से कोई भी गर्म चीज़ टच की तो एकदम से क्या हुआ, एकदम से आप क्या करोगे, अपना हाथ वहाँ से रिमूव कर लोगे. यस, यू रिमूव योर हैंड फ्रॉम देयर. वाई? बिकॉज योर नर्व्स और नर्वस tissues give signal to the brain. When the signal is reached to the brain, you certainly do the action, right? You just remove your hand from there. See how a person is able to do work with the help of nervous tissue, right? With the combination nervous tissue or muscle, with the help of muscles. So there is a combination between nervous or muscles tissue, so that a person can move, a person can do a work better. So let's recall what we have done in this session. We have seen muscular tissues are striated, unstriated or cardiac, right? So muscular tissues are three types: striated, unstriated or cardiac. So these are the three types of muscular tissue. Or striated muscles are cylindrical, unbranched और multinucleated, right? मीन्स उसमें कैसा न्यूक्लियस पाए जाते हैं? मल्टीपल न्यूक्लियस पाए जाते हैं, एक से ज़्यादा न्यूक्लियस पाए जाते हैं. और दे आर फाउंड इन आवर लिम्स. व्हाट आर द एरियाज वेयर दे फाउंड? लिम्स, स्किन, फेस और नेक. What are unstriated muscles? Unstriated muscles are spindle-shaped muscles with one nucleus. Only one nucleus is found here. So they are found in generally iris of the eye, urinary bladder, ureters or bronchi of the lungs. So what about the cardiac muscles? They are generally branched or having single nucleus, right? So, and what is the role of cardiac muscles? They are help in our heart to contract or relax, right? Involuntary actions. So muscles cause heartbeat. They help generally heart to contract or relax. So what about the nervous tissue, which we have studied? Nervous tissue have elongated cells called neurons. So those cells which are present in nervous tissue are called neurons. Neurons tissues are found in brain or spinal cord or the nerves, right? So nervous tissue generally consists of neurons that transmit information throughout the body. तो न्यूरॉन्स के थ्रू जो इंफॉर्मेशन होती है वो कहाँ पे चली जाती है? दैट विल बी ट्रांसफर्ड थ्रू आउट द body. So this is all about nervous tissue or muscle tissue. I hope this is clear to all of you.